Hi fellow Centralians, welcome sa Toronto. Isa sa mga scholars ng CPU Alumni Association Greater Toronto Area. Papalog sa mga full name ganun.
I'm Christian Joseph Kimba.
Yeah, and then you get... Wow, that's JJ Kimba, one of the scholars.
Good evening everyone, to the officers of the CPU Corporation present today and officers of the CPU Alumni Association Incorporated who are also present here today. Good evening. And of course, special greetings to Ma'am Marian, the President of the Central Philippine University Alumni Association, Greater Toronto Area, and special greetings to Sir Edwin and to Ma'am Josie, to whom I'm connected with when I was still a student in Central Philippine University.
Hi fellow Centralians, welcome sa Toronto. Isa sa mga scholars ng CPU Alumni Association Greater Toronto Area. Papalog sa mga full name ganun.
I'm Christian Joseph Kimba.
Yeah, and then you graduated when as course?
I graduated March 2010, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy.
And you said cum laude, right?
Yes,
cum laude. Mark is one of the scholars CPU Alumni Association sa Greater Toronto Area. And first time niya sa Toronto, and I'm happy with his speech attached to later. He's one of the product CPU. So welcome sa Toronto. And anong message mo sa mga fellow Centralians natin, especially sa mga mga students sa high school or elementary, they have the future?
God has always best plans for us. We have plans for ourselves, but in His direction, He will guide us. And I would like to say thank you again to Central Philippine University for this opportunity given to me. You touched my life, and you made so many things. You gave so many opportunities for me. And to the students of CPU, good luck to your endeavors.
Yeah. And what can you say about Toronto? Have you been to Niagara Falls?
Yes, I visited the falls early this day.
It's an amazing creation. I am so happy to be here, a part of Maze in Toronto. And I'm happy to be here to see that place and to see people here in Toronto, and to say thank you personally to the Alumni Association.
Niagara Falls is one of the wonders of the world. So it's a God-given nature. In the Philippines, we have the Banawi rice terraces. So Canada have its own Niagara Falls. So we have our own uniqueness, and we share the blessings that God has given us, and in one another we also give back to those who are people who are in need. And hopefully we do this to spread the gospel and for the glory of God. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Wow, that's JJ Kimba, one of the scholars.
Good evening everyone, to the officers of the CPU Corporation present today and officers of the CPU Alumni Association Incorporated who are also present here today. Good evening. And of course, special greetings to Ma'am Marian, the President of the Central Philippine University Alumni Association, Greater Toronto Area, and special greetings to Sir Edwin and to Ma'am Josie, to whom I'm connected with when I was still a student in Central Philippine University.
I am Christian Joseph Kimba, class of 2010, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. And I was the recipient of the CPU AA-GPA Scholarship, receiving full tuition and fees from June 2006 to March 2010. Let me share to you a little bit of my story. Like many other students from public high school, I wondered where to study, what course to take, and how would I afford it. Our modest family income made the cost of significant concern. But as they say, every problem has a solution. In 2006,
I attended CPU's graduation because one of my cousins was graduating. The summa cum laude speech inspired me to apply to CPU for a Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. Graduating with high school honors allowed me to apply for a one-third scholarship. During my application process, I learned from another table that there is another scholarship being offered. Marites lang ba? Just hear it. At first, I ignored it. But my aunt encouraged me to apply. So I went back to the scholarship office and applied. Indeed, God has always best plans for us. I took the exam, the interview, and I passed. The Central Philippine University Alumni Association Greater Toronto Area Scholarship provided full tuition and miscellaneous fees, and opens a lot of opportunities for me. I was determined to finish my study. I graduated in March 2010, cum laude. Today, as the Fiscal Controller of the Department of Public Works and Highways, Negros Island Region, I am committed to public service, reflecting the generosity shown to me. This scholarship is not just a financial support. It taught me humility and the importance of having a grateful heart. My commitment to those who supported my education mirrors my commitment to public service. The scholarship opened numerous opportunities for me, for my family, and of course, strengthened my Christian faith. We have plans, but God's plan is always the best. Being here in this global reunion gives me the perfect opportunity to express my profound gratitude to Central Philippine University, to CPU AAGTA. CPU truly lives up to its vision and mission, building character, promoting scholarship, responsive to the needs of the total person and the world. Thank you, and once again, good evening.